Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about KREW. KREW is like the plugin for Kubernetes. I'm going to put a link description below about the comment how to install the KREW, so you don't need to worry about. But today I'm going to specifically talk about the problem has been created while during the installation of KREW itself. So this is the command that I run. You not need to worry because I will put the link and then you can follow and you can copy paste, or I will copy paste for you in the comment section below, so you just follow them. And then during the process I got some error. My error over here, like GnuTLS receiver error minus 110. TLS connection was not properly terminated. Exit status. This is the error. When the error happen, you are going to you just type this sudo update alternative --set fakeroot /usr/bin fakeroot -tcp, and then will be update alternative using USR blah blah blah, and then right, I don't need to expand that. After you update the alternatives, now you just copy paste again the command to install the KREW right over here. And then after installation, okay, and this is our error the last time. This is the last time of our error. The KREW trying to adding default plugin because we already updated the alternatives, so we don't have a problem anymore. Like installation of KREW install plugin is successful. After successful, you need to run this command. You need to export the directory, and do not forget to close the terminal. Reopen again. Log in your user because I like to use root. Okay. Yeah, sorry. And let's kubectl KREW. Look at now our KREW is installed. My machine is a K3s Kubernetes distribution, so it will be work for I think Kubernetes and also K3s. Maybe I don't know about others, but I think this will be work for other distribution also. Bye bye. Thank you very much.